रमणीया हि सृष्टिः एषा एषा सृष्टिः रमणीया हि एषा this सृष्टिः creation Ramaniya attractive he is definitely the word Ramaniya has a pratyaya Ramaniya plus ta pratyaya it has Sthanam the place is Sarastiram bank of a pond Sarastiram Saraha Tiram splitting Saraha plus Tiram meaning is it's a place where there was a pond, bank of a pond. Samayaha, time is Prabhata Vela, morning time. The word Sarastiram is an example of samasa. It is Sarasaha Tiram. Sarasaha Tiram. And Prabhata Vela, samasa is Prabhatasya Vela. Prabhata Vela. Morning time and it is the bank of a pond. Tatra there Rajahamsaha, a royal swan, Hamsi, female royal swan, Cha and Viharataha are walking, going for a walk. Nepathye in backstage, Kakadhvani, sound made by a crow, sound of a crow. Shruyate is heard. Kakasya dhvanihi is samasa. Kakasya dhvanihi, kakadhvanihi. Rajahamsaha says, Aye, he, kinnu khalu. Kinnu, what is this? What? Khalu, definitely. Saras tire, on the bank of the pond. Sarasaha tire, saras tire. Similar to the previous example. Viharati, while walking. Me, when I am walking. Kenapi, by someone. Karkashaihi, with harsh kaka shabdaihi. Sound like ka, vatavaranam, environment, akuli kriyate, is disturbed. Who is disturbing the environment? Akuli kriyate. The environment is disturbed. By whom? Who is doing this? Kena plus api is the splitting. Kena plus api is sandhi. Kena api. Rajahamsi, the female royal swan says, Bhartaha, husband, Kakat anyaha, other than the crow, Ko bhavitum arhati, who else it can be? Ko bhavitum arhati. Kaha plus bhavitum. Ko bhavitum. Visarga ukaradesha sandhi. Asya varnaha, his color or complexion, api also is krishnaha, dark. Karma api, work also is krishnam, dark. Medhyam, eatable, amedhyam, non-eatable. Sarvameva, everything. Sarvam plus eva, everything. Sarvameva bhakshayati, eats. Karna katu shabdaihi, with the sound harsh sound to ears. Karnabhyam samasa Karnabhyam katubhihi shabdaihi. Karnabhyam katubhihi shabdaihi. With harsh sound to ears. Rajhamsi was about to say something. Then Kakaha stopped. Kakaha the crow, who was criticized. Pravishya, having entered. Sakrodham, with anger. Sakrodham, we can split as Krodhena Sahitam. Krodhena Sahitam. Krodhena Sahitam Sakrodham, with anger. Aha, hey, expression of anger. Kim Uktavati Bhavati, what did you say? Uktavati, it is Uktavat plus Neep Pratyaya. The word Uktavati has. Bhavati also has ni pratyaya. Bhavati means you. Bhavat plus ni. What did you say? Kim Uktavati Bhavati. Yadi, if. Yadi is an avyaya. Aham, I am Krishna Varnaha, dark in color. Tarhi, then Sri Ramasya, Sri Rama's Varnaha, color or complexion, was Kidrishaha, of which kind? Sri Vasudevasya, Sri Vasudevas, Vasudeva is Krishna. His Varnaha, color was Kidrishaha, of what kind? Mukte, innocent. Aham tu, I am Ativa, very Kartavya Parayanaha. I am very duty bound. Kartavye, Kartavye Parayanaha. Samasa. Kartavya Parayanaha. And here Mugdhe, actually it is Mugdha, Mugdha plus Ta. In Sambodhana Vibhakti it becomes like that, Mugdha plus Ta. Ta pratyaya it has, Mugdhe. Hey Mugdhe, hey innocent one, you don't know, that way. Prabhate, in the morning, ka ka dhvanina, with the sound ka ka. Suptan, sleeping ones, the ones who are sleeping. Prabodhayami, I wake up. Karmasu, in the work. Viniyojayami, I make them engaged. I make the people engaged who are sleeping in the morning by making sound ka ka. Rajahamsaha says, hum, again expression of anger. Kim anena, what by this? Kim plus anena is the splitting. Kim anena, what by this? Etat karyam, this work. Tu is but. Kukkutopi, a rooster also. Kukkutaha plus api. Kukkutopi. Kukkutaha plus api. Visarga. Kukkutaha plus api. Visarga ukaradesha santi. Even the kukkutaha are a roaster bird does. Karoti. Kakaha vihasya, laughing. Kukkutaha, a roaster. Are, he, adya, today, avyaya. Kutaha, where are? Kukkutaha, roasters, nagareshu, in terms. Ahameva, aham eva, only I am. Eva is only. Only I am. Sarvatra, it's an avyaya. Everywhere. Sulabhaha, available. Only I am available everywhere. Rajahamsi, the female swan. Bhoho Bhoho Vachala. Bhoho is to again address Vachala, talkative, who talks a lot. Sviyaihi, with your Katubhihi, harsh Kwanitaihi sound, Jana Jagaranat, than making the people awake, other than waking up the people. Jananam Samasa, Jananam Jagaranat, Jagaranat. So Jananam Jagaranat, other than waking up the people. Anyat, anything else. Kimapi, anything na karoshi, you don't do. Kim plus api, kimapi. We had discussed before also. Kakaha says, Aho, he, ajnanam, lack of knowledge. Na jnanam is samasa. Na jnanam. Ajnanam bhavatyaha. It's your ajnana or your illiteracy. Bhavatyaha, your. Are yasya grihasya, on whose bhittav, on the wall, here compound wall we can take. Sthitva, standing. Alapami, I make sound. I talk. Janaha, people. Priyasya, their favorite ones. Agamana sanketam. Agamanasya sanketam. Agamanasya sanketam. Sign of arrival. Agamanam is arrival. Agamanasya sanketam. Sign of their relatives or known ones, favorite ones. Arrival. That way, matva, thinking, considering, prashyanti, they become happy. Kim bahuna, what else? What else you want? Aham tu, I am etadrashaha, this kind of satya priyaha, truth lover. Yet that mataraha, mothers, shishun kathayanti, tell their children. Shishun, children, kathayanti, tell. Anrutam vadasi chet. If you lie, anrutam. Na rutam anrutam. It is a samasa. Na rutam anrutam. It is lie, meaning is lie. Anrutam vadasi chet. If you lie, chet is an avyaya. Kakaha dashet. The crow may bite. That way I am known for my truthfulness. Asmakam aikyam, our unity. Aikyam is unity. Asmakam aikyam jagat prasiddham. Samasa of jagat prasiddham is jagati prasiddham, meaning is world famous. Asmakam aikyam, our unity is world famous. Sarvatha, completely. Jagarukoham, being awake. I. Jagarukaha. Jagarukaha less aham sandhi. Jagarukaha aham, being awake always. Chhatranam krite. Chhatranam krite, for children, for students. Adarshaha eva, I am an ideal person. Role model. Adarshaha eva, definitely only. Kim na shrutam, didn't you hear? Kaka cheshta, active like a crow. Kaka cheshta. Kakasya cheshta. Kakasya cheshta. Bakat dhyanam. The student should have all these qualities. Active like a crow. Activeness like a crow. Of a crow should be there. Bakasya dhyanam. Bakasya dhyanam. Concentration like a crane bird. Bakaha is a crane bird. That way, didn't you hear? He asked. Then Rajhamsaha said, Virama Virama, stop it. Shruyatam, listen. Yet that Janaihi, by people, Sarvada, always, Giyate is sung, Tava Vishaye, about you. Kakasya Gatram, the crow's Gatram, body. Yadi, if. Kanchanasya, made of gold. Manikya Ratnam, a Manikya jewel. Yadi, if. Chenchu Deshe, at the place of beak. Chenchu is beak, beak's place. I can write samasa of this as Chenchoho Deshe. Chenchoho Deshe, Chenchu Deshe. At the place of beak, if Manikya Ratnam is fixed. Ekaika Pakshe, in every wing. Eka plus Eka, Ekaika, it will become. Eka plus Eka, Ekaika. Ekaika, in each Paksha or wing. Grathitam, if we fix Maninam, jewels. Tathapi, still. Tatha plus api, still. Kako, it is a kakaha. Natu Rajahamsaha. He'll remain a kaka, he will not become Rajahamsaha. Kakaha plus na, kakona, sama sandhi. So he will not become a Rajahamsa. Though we decorate a crow with all the jewelries, it will remain a crow, it will not turn into a Rajahamsa. Apicha, and again, api and also cha is and also hamsaha shvetaha, a swan is white. Bakaha shvetaha, a crane is white. Ko bhedaha, what's the difference? Kaha plus bhedaha. Kaha plus bhedaha, ko bhedaha. Santi. What is the difference? Baka Hamsa Yoho, among Baka and Hamsa. So in between them, what is the difference? Bake, Cha, Hamse, Cha, Baka Hamsa Yoho. Ko Vedhaha, Bakasya Cha Hamsasya Cha also we can write. What's the difference? The difference is Nira Kshira Viveke. Nirasya, water. Kshirasya, milk. Kshirasya. Viveke, Viveke, in the ability of separating water from milk. Nira, Kshira, Viveka. Hamso hamsaha. Hamsaha remains hamsaha. Hamsaha is hamsaha. Same way, bakaha bakaha. Crane remains a crane. It means a crane has no ability of separating the water from milk. So bakaha remains bakaha. So this is our greatness that way Raja Himsa said about it. It took the name of Bakaha, so Bakaha enters. Pravishya, having entered. Swapakshav, its wings. Paksha is wings. So Avadhuya, Avadhuya, shaking, having shook its wings. Swapakshav Avadhuya. Swasya Pakshav, Swasya Pakshav, Swapakshav Avadhuya. Shaking its wings, it said, Katham, how come, Mam, me, api also adhikshipasi? You are criticizing. Kim te mahatvam? What's your greatness? Mahat plus tva pratyaya. What is your greatness? Varshartav in the rainy season. Splitting Varsha plus Rutav. Varshartav. In rainy season, Manasam to Manas Sarovara Palayase. You run away. Aham eva, only I am. Atra here. Vrushtehe, rains. Abhinandanam, congratulations. Are welcoming Karovi do. Kidrishi, what kind of Tava your Maitri friendship is? Your Maitri is of what kind? Apat Kale, during the difficult time. Apat Kale, we can split that as Apadaha Kale, during the time of difficulty. Saramsi Tyaktva, leaving the Saras or lake, Duram Rajasi, you go far. Vastutaha, in fact, Aham Eva, only I am, Shitale Jale, in the cool water, Bahukala Paryantam, for a longer duration, Avichalam, without moving, Dhyana Magnaha, being engaged in Dhyana, meditation or concentration in this. Dhyane Magnaha, Dhyana Magnaha, being engaged in the Dhyana, Sthita Prajnaha Eva, like a stable minded. Sthita Prajnaha, Prajnaha plus Eva. It is Sthita Prajnaha plus Iva, Visarga Lopasandhi. Like a stable minded person, Iva is an avyaya, like Tishtami stand. Dugdha Dhavalaha, Me Pakshaha, my wings are as white as milk. Dugdha is milk, Dhavala is white. Na Jane, I don't know, Katham, me, mom, me, I don't know, Mammi, Apariganayantaha, Na Pariganayantaha, not considering. Na Pariganayantaha, not considering me, Janaha people, Chitravarnam, the one who has strange color. Ahibhujam, snake eater. Ahim bhunkte, bhunkte iti. Ahibhujam, iti tam. Ahibhujam, that is snake eater, who is a Mayoram. Ahibhujam, Mayoram, the peacock. Rashtra Pakshi, Rashtrasya Pakshi iti. Rashtrasya Pakshi iti. National bird iti manyante, consider. Aham eva, aham plus eva. Only I am yogyaha, suitable, or I only deserve. Then, since Mayora's name was taken, Mayoraha enters. Pravishya, having entered. Sattahasam, with a loud laugh. Attahasena, Attahasena Sahitam, or Saha. Attahasena Sahitam. Attahasena Saha, with a loud laugh. Satyam, Satyam, it is true. Ahameva, I am only Rashtra Pakshi, Rashtrasya Pakshi, national bird. Kona Janati, Kaha plus Na is Kona. Who doesn't know? Janati knows. Tava your Dhyanavastam, Dhyanasya Avastam, status of dhyana. Sarcastically, it says, we know your dhyanavastha. Maunam dhrutva, being quiet. Varakan, helpless. Meenan, fish. Chalena, with a fraud nature or cunning. Trick. Adhigrihya, you catch. Krurataya, krura plus tal pratyaya it has. Krurataya, with cruelty. Bhakshayasi, eat, you eat. Dhik tvam, shaman, you. Avamanitam, insulted. Khalu, definitely. Sarvam, the entire. Pakshi kulam, birds group, birds family. Pakshinam, Pakshinam kulam, samasa. The entire Pakshi kula is insulted by you. Pakshinam kulam. Kakaha, re sarpa bhakshaka. Sarpa bhakshaka is sarpanam bhakshaka, eater of snakes. Sarpanam bhakshakaha. Here bhakshaka. A sarpa bhakshaka, a snake eater. Nartanat anyat, other than dancing. Kim aparam janasi, what else you know? Aparam is else. What else you know other than dancing? Then Mayuraha says, Shruyatam, 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 listen. Mama Nrityam, my uh, dance is Prakrutehe, nature's Aradhana, worship. Pashya, see. Charu Vartula, Charu, attractive. Vartula, in circle shape. Chandrika, like a moon shape. Shobhitanam, attractive. Mama, my. Pichanam, feathers. Apurvam, extraordinary. Soundaryam, beauty. See that my feathers, which have the sign attractive circle type, moons, moon type of designs, which made my feathers pichaha, pichanam, beautiful. It's apurvam, extraordinary soundaryam, you see. Mama kekaravam. Kekarava is my sound. Crow's sound is called kekarava. My kekarava. We can say keka yaha ravam samasa. The sound of keka. Keka is sound made by a peacock. Kokilaha api, the cuckoo bird also, lajjate, feels shy. Mama shirasi, on my head. Raja mukutam iva, like a king's crown. Rajnyaha mukutam. Rajnyaha, Rajnyaha mukutam. Raja mukutam iva. The king's crown. Shikham, crest. uh, Sthapayata, fixing. Vidhatra, the Vidhata, creator. Eva, only. Aham Pakshi Rajaha Kritaha, made me the Pakshi Rajaha. Pakshinam Raja. Pakshinam Raja. Pakshi Rajaha. Samasa. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Raja. Kokilaha, the cuckoo bird or nightingale's name was taken, so it has entered. Re Mayura, hey peacock. Alam, enough of Ati Vikathanena, overpraising yourself. Madhumase, in spring. Am, in the